In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a text box in Google Docs. First, make sure you head over to docs.google.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you can either open an existing document or start fresh with a new one. With your document open, let's begin by navigating to the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear offering you various options. From this list, hover over Drawing and a secondary menu will emerge. Select New. This action will bring up the drawing dialog box, which serves as a canvas for creating and inserting drawings into your document. In the drawing interface, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top. Look for the icon that resembles a capital T, which stands for Text Box. Click on it and then click anywhere on the canvas to draw your text box. You can adjust the size to fit your content as needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the box. Once you have your text box, you'll see a blinking cursor inside. This means you're ready to start typing. After entering your text, you might want to personalize the appearance of your text box. To do this, explore options such as changing the font style and size, adjusting the text color, or modifying the line thickness and border color of the text box. These options can be found in the toolbar at the top, so feel free to experiment and find a style that suits your document. When you're satisfied with your creation, go ahead and click the Save and Close button located at the top right corner of the drawing window. This will embed the text box in your document. Now, if you want to reposition the text box within your document, simply click on the text box itself. You'll notice a toolbar appear beneath it. Here, look for the Edit tab. It's an easy spot to adjust settings quickly. Right next to it, you'll see the Wrap Text option. Click on Wrap Text, and voila. You can now move your text box freely around the document. This feature allows your text box to flow seamlessly with the surrounding text, making your document layout look polished and professional. With these steps, you're now equipped to add a dynamic element to your document, making it visually engaging and neatly organized. Whether you're creating a report, a brochure, or just sprucing up a simple page, knowing how to manipulate text boxes in Google Docs is a handy skill. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital document experience.